Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made some creepy cute jewelry. So to make the creepy cute jewelry, I'm using some pieces from the Sophie and Toffee Pixie box for the month of August. We got some really cute goodies in here. Just take a look. First up, I decided to make some adorable little glowing ghost earrings, or should they be glosts? Gosh, why did I find that so funny? Please excuse my terrible pun. Anyway, so I decided to treat them as if they were bezels by attaching them to some sellotape and then just filling in the eyes and mouth with some black resin. And I could have put little ghosts at the top of the earring as well, but I decided to do skulls instead, just for something a little bit different really. But I really like adding in the little sprinkles. I think it makes them look super duper cute. And there you have it, my darlings. My little sprinkle glosts are done. What do we think? How cool are they glowing in the dark? Let me know what color that you would make them if you had the chance. Up next are my very punky looking pumpkins. Now, I could have made them glow, but I decided to actually just go for a very sort of neon vibe with these, as I have some really cool neon glitters from RESIN as well. So I wanted to make sure that I included those in this craft. I absolutely love just how bright that these are. They're just very in your face, which is very me, let's be honest. Again, I just basically used the same sort of technique as I did with the little ghost earrings, but this time I added some teeny tiny little pumpkins at the top. Let me know what you think. Yes, I am well aware that I need to make a matching necklace for these because, come on, just look at them. They are actual fire. I love them so much. Let me know, which do you prefer, the pumpkins or the ghosts? Well, if you thought I wasn't going to be using the coffin shaker mold, then you would be absolutely mistaken, okay? Because you know me, I love me some shakers. I've also made a necklace like this before in this pretty much this same style, but I did it with my coffin mold and my bat wings mold. So it was nice to have this already all put together. Let me know what you think of this in the comments. Oh, I've actually got a little quick tip for you. If you're going to be using metal bails on the backs of your pieces, and if you want to secure them using UV resin, do make sure that you do go over them with UV resin as well, because of course the UV light can't really pass through the metal. So just to make sure that you have got some security going over the top of it as well. Anyway, how cool is this necklace? Oh my goodness. And look at it glowing in the dark as well. Oh my gosh. By the way, if any of you would like anything that I've made here today, just drop me a line at my Instagram. My handle is down below, and I can definitely make any of these for you in whatever color that you like. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.